Hello everyone, we'll see a small another question on standard deviation. So this says for a population of 20 data of a variable, six data are provided or are sampled given below. So this x is 9, 2, 5, 4, 12 and 7. So we see that out of 20 data, we have been provided with a sample of only 6 data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 6 here, right? So that means we'll have to put the formula of sigma square sigma equal to sum of, or I'll say, although there is no frequency here, so xi minus x bar divided by square divided by n minus 1 to the power of 1 by 2, right? Because the data, this data is not for the entire population, this is only for a sample. So in that case, n or small n, anything, let's take this as capital N also. So first of all, we need to find the mean, which is 9 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 12 plus 7. This is 6.5, and then we can also find the sigma as sum of all. So we'll start with the first one. This is 9 minus 6.5 square, 2 minus 6.5 square, 5 minus 6.5 square, 4, 12 minus 6.5 square plus 7 minus 6.5 square. Sum of all divided by n minus 1, which is 5. So I'll write 6 minus 1 and then under root of this, right? 6 minus 1, that is n minus 1. So n minus 6, 9 minus 6.5, 2 minus 6.5, 5 minus 6.5, 4 minus 6.5, 12 minus 6.5 and 7 minus 6.5, and square of all these values. So this will give you sigma equal to 3.619.